Hello and welcome to TechLearnist. Today I'm going to show you comparison between the two competitors of Microsoft Excel, Google Sheets and Apple Numbers, and we're going to see which one is better to use. Both these products are cloud-based and free, which means you don't need to buy a license for it, like Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. Google Sheets can be accessed using Google account. Just go to Google Apps and select Sheets. Apple Numbers app is available on iOS device. In order to access it in browser, you need to have Apple ID and need to log into iCloud.com. In order to compare, let's create a sheet from personal budget template in both the products. As you can see here, Google Sheet is much faster to load than the Apple Numbers. Now let's see the comparison between the two. First difference, structure. Google Sheets arranges the sheet or workbook in a grid structure just like Microsoft Excel. You can add up to 40,000 new rows at a time, maximum number of 18,278 columns. Apple Numbers, on the other hand, views the sheet as a canvas where you can add multiple items like table, images, shapes. In Apple Numbers, you can create and edit spreadsheets with tables that contain up to 65,535 rows or 256 columns, and open and view spreadsheets and tables even larger than that. In both the products, you can add multiple sheets, Difference 2. Functions. In Google Sheets, there are nearly 4,000 functions which are available, and they are closer to what Microsoft Excel offers. While in case of Apple Numbers, these are 260 plus functions and they are soon catching up. But whatever functions that we use on a day-to-day basis are available in Apple Numbers. Number 3, charts. Google Sheets charts can be used for mathematical analysis, and they can work on large data sets. You can create column chart, you can create line chart, you can create pie chart, anything that you wish. In case of Apple Numbers, you can create different kinds of chart, and they are created more from artistic point of view and work on smaller data. Number 4, filtering. In Google Sheets, the filtering is very similar to what Microsoft Excel offers. However, in Apple Numbers, the filtering is not very straightforward. Next, add-on support. Google Sheet has support for multiple add-ons. You can get the add-ons and add it to your sheet, like Google Analytics, and there are several add-ons which you can use easily with Google Sheets. Apple Numbers lack support for add-ons. And the final difference, import and export. In Google Sheets, you can import an existing Microsoft Excel file as well as download the Excel file in XLXS PDF format. However, In Apple Numbers, you can download a copy of Microsoft Excel, but in order to import, you need to have the Apple Numbers app, which is possible only on iOS devices. So the final verdict is Google Sheets can be used for commercial use, while Apple Numbers needs to be used for personal use. If you like this video, click on like, share and subscribe to my channel TechLearnist.